Hi, I'm Matt Powell, and I've been a lawyer for over 30 years. I've been making educational videos to help the public understand their rights in our complex legal system. I've become interested in cryptocurrency over the past 5 years and wanted to share with you some simple things that you might want to know to help you manage your cryptocurrency and protect and help you and your friends and family. Today, I'm going to explain some basics about trust and some of the various types of trust and hopefully help you decide to use a trust to avoid probate. So let me get started with this basic question. What is a trust? A trust is a separate legal entity that holds and manages assets. Typically, you are the grantor, which means you put the assets into a trust. And the trust is managed by a trustee. The trustee has a fiduciary duty to properly manage the trust for the best interest of the beneficiary. The beneficiary is who will receive your assets upon your death. The cryptocurrency trust that I have explained in other videos is a very simple revocable trust. This means that you as the grantor can change it at any time in any way you like. You have total control and flexibility. You can end the trust, expand the trust, change who gets what, when, where, and how. I have also discussed in other videos the greatest thing about a trust is the ability to privately transfer your assets to who you want outside of probate. So let me move on to the common questions of what is an irrevocable trust. An irrevocable trust is one that can't be changed by you once you sign the trust. Irrevocable means the assets in the trust are no longer in your estate. You don't own the asset any longer. You have given up all your right of ownership to the asset because you put it into your irrevocable trust. Why would someone want to use an irrevocable trust? The main reason to use an irrevocable trust is to reduce the size of your estate while you are alive. So if you are extremely wealthy, you will not have that asset in your estate when you die to have to pay estate taxes on. Now let me be clear. I am not suggesting anyone use an irrevocable trust. They are complicated and you need the professional advice of an accountant and a lawyer. The next most common question I get is, who pays the income taxes on my crypto? Since you're the grantor, all of the taxes stemming from your crypto are your personal tax liability, even while the crypto is in your trust and it's through your Social Security number. In other words, when an institution requests a Social Security number or employer identification number for the trust property, you use your own Social Security number. And when the grantor of a trust dies, the living trust becomes irrevocable and the successor trustee will apply for a tax ID number from the IRS to pay the trust taxes. What is the status of taxation of cryptocurrency? Well, in March of 2014, the IRS published Notice 2014-21 giving some guidance about taxation of cryptocurrency. The IRS has said that cryptocurrency shall be treated as property and therefore general tax principles apply to cryptocurrency transactions. It gets complicated, and this is not tax advice, but what you need to know is the IRS knows the identity of most cryptocurrency holders through the Know Your Customer requirements for all crypto exchanges that are authorized to operate in the United States. Therefore, when you opened your crypto accounts at Crypto.com or Coinbase or Gemini, you shared your Social Security number or tax ID number and a copy of your government-issued ID. So now, your next tax return, you may have to answer this question. Quote, at any time during 2019, 20, 21, did you receive, sell, send, exchange, or otherwise acquire any financial interest in any virtual currency? Wow, we have wandered off the path of trust deep into the IRS tax forest. Needless to say, this is not tax advice at all. Just a heads up that you need to be thinking about what taxes, if any, you need to pay for your crypto assets. For more information and help, you might want to check out Cryptotrader.tax, which offers nice software to help keep track of your trades for tax purposes. So thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe and click on the notify button because I will continue to create educational videos about crypto and the law. Thank you very much for your time.